Hello everyone, I'm Lindsay from Happy Hour Stitches and I'm popping in today to share our order from Missouri Star. This is a big box, so I'm gonna set it on the ground and show you what we got. We got some very fun things for some upcoming projects, some just for fun items, and a few special items for an upcoming giveaway we're doing. So let's check out what we got. Okay, first of all, the reason the box is so big, I got a few packages of polyfill. So I'm working on, I don't want to spoil anything, but like a 3D project, a larger one that I need to stuff. And so I got some polyfill. I feel like polyfill is like one of those things where it's hard to eyeball. So I either feel like I'm buying way too much for a project I'm working on, or I'm not buying enough. So I got 2 bags, and I already have most of one bag from a previous project, so I'm hoping it's enough. Otherwise, I will order more, but stay tuned because this project is coming soon. Okay, what else do we have here? Oh, I ordered some Bella Solids. This is their bleached white. It's just my solid of choice that I like to have around for things. It's a great background color, so I ordered a few yards of this, just a restock. So this is Moda Bella Solids in bleached white, so happy to stock up on that. Okay, more fabric. So last month we ordered some of the Starry collection, my Ruby Star, for a project that's coming soon that we'll share. We just love the collection so much. So we got a charm pack of it, and we're gonna do a little giveaway when we reach 1,000 Instagram followers. So if you're not already following us on Instagram, I'll put a link in the video description that you can check out so you can make sure you're following us and be ready for a fun giveaway with this and a few other items. But we just love this collection, and we can't wait to share the projects we have coming up with it. We have quite a few because it's one of our favorite collections. Oh, I'm so excited. I have been needing a spray mist bottle just for ironing. I am a steam girl when I iron, but I have just found that a lot of my irons are leaking or I'm just having kind of trouble with like dirty water. So I have decided I'm not putting water in my irons anymore, especially because I just got a new one and I don't want any problems with that. So I got a mist bottle. This one is from Magic Company. So then I can just spray my projects when I need to iron or press and still get like an effective steam, but without filling up my expensive iron with water. So I'm excited to try that out. Okay, we have an Olfa 28mm rotary cutter. This is just a great size for trimming smaller units. So we have all the sizes, but my business partner Elizabeth didn't have this size yet. So I was like, you have to get it, it's such a good size. So she can play around with that now. Okay, this is so cute. It's clover. It's just needles, hand sewing needles, but I'm gonna open it because the case, it's in plastic. I don't want to unwrap it, but can you see it's a heart. So the case is shaped like a little cute heart. So you can store your hand sewing needles in there and carry this along with you. A little cute heart. It's so adorable. So this is going to be part of our Instagram giveaway too. So I'm just collecting cute little items. Okay. Oh, one more Instagram giveaway item. Aurifil white thread. It's my favorite. That's going to be part of the giveaway too. So make sure you're following us on Instagram, but this is just like the thread we use all the time. So we're excited to give this away to someone. Okay, we have been wanting to try these. So Missouri Star came out with some printable wash away stabilizer transfer sheets. So what you can do with these is you can essentially either trace or print any embroidery design you want onto these sheets. You stick them onto your fabric, you embroider right through it, and then they wash away so that the stabilizer goes away, but you're left with all your thread. So we do embroidery in quite a few of our projects just as an optional accent you can add. So we're excited to try these out and see how they work, because to be able to print our designs onto something and just stitch right along the lines seems so easy. So we're excited to give these a try. Oh, I did buy 3 bags of polyfill. Well, now I have 3 plus the leftover of what I had before. So I'm hoping this is enough. That's a lot of polyfill. No wonder this box was so big. Okay. I have been needing a new thimble. My thimble that I had been using for years broke. So this is a nice like silicone one. Silicone ones are my favorite because they really feel like they're connected to your skin. They feel really seamless. So I've never tried this one before. It's a Dritz thimble. So I'll give it a try, but I've been binding quilts and doing hand sewing without a thimble and I've been missing it. So I cannot wait to give this a shot. Okay. Okay, this is a Missouri Star project case. I'm gonna open it so that we can see more. Okay. Oh, how cute is this already? Little project case. Oh, it's a zipper. It has a zippered front pocket. Love that. The fabric is so cute on it. Okay, it has nice handles. Oh, it has a longer strap handle for carrying over your shoulder. And the back just has a place to put your information. So if you bring this along to a retreat or you're traveling with it. Okay, let's open it up. Oh my gosh. Look at these adorable zipper pulls. That's really cute. Little star blocks. Okay. Oh. Okay, here we go. These are fake scissors. They're cardboard printouts. But check out inside. There's lots of pockets in various sizes. There's a zipper pouch. There's some little elastic bands to hold things. And then the bottom has like a strap little thing so you can put fabric or quilt tops or blocks in progress and hold them tight. I just think this is perfect for summer traveling or if you're going to a retreat. You pack up your project in here, your supplies you need, carry it along in your cute little container. I'm just so excited to try this out when I travel this year and see how it works for holding what I need. So we will report back, but if you are looking for a great case, this is a great size. I wonder how big it is. I'm gonna measure quick since I'm sitting by my cutting mat. Oh, it's 12 inches. So perfect if you're making 12-inch blocks or smaller. This would be a great little carrying container. So can't wait to try that out. Oh my gosh. They keep coming more and more and more. Okay, these are for upcoming projects for this summer that I'm working on. I just got some elastic and some little, little hooks. So I'm doing some little fun travel type projects. So those are coming, but I needed some basic hardware and elastic supplies. So tutorials coming soon for some fun summer sewing. And then a little cute tape measure from Missouri Star. So that'll be really fun. Okay, so if you're shopping at Missouri Star, you can always use our affiliate link. It is for 20% off your entire order of $50 or more. So if you need to stock up on any supplies or do a little shopping, make sure you shop with our link so you get your discount. And I will link to a blog post that has links to all the supplies that I showed today in case you want to check things out more. So thanks for joining me and seeing what our haul from Missouri Star was this month.